Hello children, in this video we will learn the concept of factors and how to find the factors of a given numbers. Let us now learn the concept of factors through an example. So children, can you arrange these 6 stars in different ways? We can put 6 stars in one row. So, 1 row multiplied by 6 stars is equal to 6 stars. We can put 2 stars in each row. So, 3 rows multiplied by 2 stars is equal to 6 stars. Another way is we can put 3 stars in each row. So, 2 rows multiplied by 3 stars is equal to 6 stars. We can also arrange in another way, put 1 star in each row. So, 6 rows multiplied by 1 star is equal to 6 stars. As we see, 6 can be written as product of two numbers in many ways. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is also 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is also 6. 6 multiplied by 1 is also 6. We can say that 1, 2, 3 and 6 are all factors of 6. The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called its factors. Finding factors by multiplication method. Factors of 8 are, start with 1, multiply by the number. So the first pair is 1 multiplied by 8 is 8. Try 2, 3, 4, etc. Second pair is 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. As we know, 8 is not coming in the table of 3. So 3 is not a factor of 8. So the third pair is 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. When the factors are repeated, cross it out. You have to stop here only. Hence, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. Important instructions. If you get doubles such as 4 into 4, 6 into 6, 8 into 8, etc., then you have to stop there only. Repeats or doubles let you know you are done. Write all the factors in ascending order. Let us take few more examples. Factors of 16 are 1 multiplied by 16, 2 multiplied by 8. As 16 is not coming in the table of 3, so 3 is not a factor. So cross it out. 4 multiplied by 4, here doubles. So we will stop here only. So factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Important note, write all the factors in ascending order. Factors of 18 are 1 multiplied by 18, 2 multiplied by 9, 3 multiplied by 6. Since 18 is not coming in the table of 4 and 5, therefore 4 and 5 are not factors of 18. 6 multiplied by 3 is also 18, but it is a repetition. So cross it out. So the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 7 are 1 multiplied by 7. Since 7 is not coming in the table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hence these numbers are not factors of 7. 7 multiplied by 1 is also 7, but it is a repetition. The only factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Let us conclude by taking another example. Factors of 35 are 1 multiplied by 35, 5 multiplied by 7. Hence, the factors of 35 are 1, 5, 7 and 35. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.